Buttons are very simple. Use a button element. Include a type attribute. Add a visible label. The type value tells screen readers and other assistive technologies how to announce this button. As written, this button will be announced as menu button. There are two other button types: submit, which should be used whenever user data is submitted, and reset, used when previously entered data needs to be cleared. This button would be announced as clear reset button. Examples are in the description. Go forth and build clean, accessible.
Here we have a button with no visible label. Is this a bookmark? Is it an open library button? Screen reader users only hear the word button. What the hell does this thing even do? Not to worry, we can fix this. Adding a title attribute gives us a visible label, but does nothing to help screen reader users. Let's take care of that now. Aria-label works just like a visible label, except it's for screen reader users. Screen readers will announce this as bookmark toys button. What if my CMS can't update aria-label? Alternatively, use visually hidden text. Add visible text, then hide it using CSS. If possible, use a class from an existing library like Bootstrap. Otherwise, you can do this. Really though, these libraries are far better tested than random code you pulled off a video. One more video left for buttons, aria-labelledby and custom buttons. Examples are in the description. Go forth and build clean, accessible code. Let's do something more complex today. You've got a table with buttons. Visibly, this makes a lot of sense, but screen readers have no idea what part of the table to tell users they're looking at. You've got a couple of options here. For today's demo, we're going to take a look at aria-labelledby. Add an ID to the relevant column header, add an ID to the relevant table cell, and then set those values to the aria-labelledby in the button. Order the values in your aria-labelledby so they read out as expected. This will read as John Action Button. Normally, the order should be row ID, then column ID. Next time we finally cover custom buttons. Now, go forth and build clean, accessible code. How-to for custom buttons. Do not build custom buttons. They are buggy, inflexible, and hard to maintain. Custom buttons are for morons, masochists, and prisoners. If you are being told to make custom buttons, the app is crap, the backend is crap, the CMS is crap, or your boss hates you. In any of these cases, you need a new job. HTML. Add a roll button. Add a tab index. Add mouse click event. Add the enter and spacebar events. Add CSS. That's not all, folks. Now add the JavaScript. This is the simplest version of JavaScript. Finally, the CSS. Oh, you think you're done? No. This is just for desktop view. Now you have to start on the mobile and tablet view. Have fun. Like I said, this is for morons, masochists, and prisoners. Show this to your boss when you quit. That poor soul still has to manage this crappy site. Now, go forth and build clean, accessible code. So I was planning on doing a long-form, in-depth, detailed button video. Unfortunately, I don't know how to do audio, video, recording, any of that stuff. So I didn't do that because it was really freaking hard. As I continue to learn and grow, these videos will get better and they won't just be compilations of shorts. But for now, this is what we've got. I think I'm going to move on to inputs next. Let me know if there's anything in particular you guys would like to see, anything you need to know. And if I can, I'll answer it in comments. If I can't, I'll add it to the list of possible videos. Good luck, everybody. Hopefully I can help.